Right now it's that time of evening right now where the water's still and topwater works really well. This is a Rapala SkitterPop. I think it's a size 7, and this is the frog design. And the bass have just been murdering this. So let's see if we can get another one with this cast. Now somebody just hit it. Maybe we'll come back for it. Here we go. How's that? Good old Rapala topwater bait. When the water's still like this and it gets to when the sun's setting, topwater works really well. Boy, that's a nice looking fish.